advice for you as you prepare your math courses in the School of Business is to make sure to get help right away. It's best to get help consistently throughout the semester to make sure you're doing well and staying on track. If you wait until you think you need help, usually by that point it's too late. And of course, always ask your academic advisors if you need help on anything.
If you're worried about or struggling in a math course right now at Oakland, OU offers a lot of resources that can help you get where you need to be.
So my number one tip for you guys today is to get help early and often. It is so important to reach out to your professors, the tutoring center, and use those resources that are available to you so that you can be the best that you can be in all of your classes.
My biggest tip for studying business mathematics, like economics and statistics, would be to get to know your professors as well as your classmates. And these are the people that are studying the material that you're learning. And so definitely using your fellow classmates as well as professors as resources can be very, very helpful for preparing for exams.
My biggest tip for math and QMM courses is to find some peers in your class and form a study group. You'll find that it's a lot more effective when you study in groups.
Make sure you are organized for your math course when you start. Make sure you print off notes and PowerPoints or have them easily accessible on your computer. I even like to organize a binder for myself just to make the course a little bit easier to follow. Another tip would be to explore your Moodle page and look at the resources that your professor has.
One tip I would have for math courses is just to really focus in class to understand the material as much as you can, as well as just study as much as you possibly can. You can never know the material well enough.
So what I would do in the math courses is I would use my book a lot to read the content and try to understand it myself before I went to class. That was really helpful for me, and especially studying for exams, going back and doing the problems in the book is a really great help, especially if your professor gives you extra practice problems to work on before the exam. I would highly recommend doing those.
My number one tip for these classes is this. I want you to know that it is okay to struggle in your math classes. That doesn't mean that you can't do math or won't succeed. Just don't give up. Consistent hard work throughout the semester will make a difference.